In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Outlook and seamlessly log and track your emails. This process is straightforward and will take just about 5 minutes of your time. We'll make sure you're set up to efficiently manage your emails between these platforms in no time. So let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the HubSpot website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the URL to reach their homepage. Once you're there, what we're aiming to do is to access your HubSpot account. So look towards the top right corner of the web page. You'll see a login button. Give that a click. If you already have your credentials ready, you can log in normally. But for a quicker option, if you're using a Google account, just click on Sign In with Google. Select your Google account to connect it with HubSpot. Now you should be inside your HubSpot dashboard where the magic begins. Next, we need to integrate the necessary tools into your browser, specifically using the Chrome browser. Open a new tab and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Here, you'll want to search for the HubSpot sales extension. This extension will be the key to connecting HubSpot to your email, allowing you to log and track emails seamlessly. Once you've found the HubSpot sales extension in the search results, click on Add to Chrome. This step will install the extension to your browser for you. Now that the extension is added, you'll notice an icon pop up near the top right of your browser window, where all your browser extensions live. This area might look like a little puzzle piece icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down where you'll find the HubSpot sales extension you've just installed. To make accessing the extension easier in the future, you'll want to pin it to your browser's toolbar. Simply click on the pin icon next to the HubSpot extension so it stays visible at all times. Once it's pinned, the next step is crucial for turning that setup into practical use. You'll need to connect your email to this extension. Follow the prompts that guide you through the process. This typically involves authorizing HubSpot to link with your email account. With this step complete, you're almost ready. Now, open your Outlook email. This is where everything comes together. With the HubSpot sales extension active and linked, when you manage your emails from Outlook, you now have the ability to log and track the emails you're sending and receiving. This integration ensures all your communication is synchronized with your HubSpot account, enhancing your productivity and record keeping. That's it. By following these simple steps, you are now equipped to seamlessly log and track your emails between HubSpot and Outlook. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps in optimizing your workflow. Have a fantastic day.